Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can replace background of our design on a Canva application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a design on my Canva application and I'm going to change the background of this poster. So first of all guys, we can click on the background like this and you can go to the replace menu right here. Okay, and here you have some options. You can choose background which have been available in Canva by clicking on this background option. And these are the background from Canva. You can also select the photos from Canva or videos as well. Then you can also upload background from your device by clicking on this upload button. Then you just need to click on upload files right here, and you can also go to your gallery to search for the background from your gallery. And I'm going to choose background from my Canva application. I'm gonna go with this one guys. Just click on the background you would like to apply. And now as you can see that my background has been replaced with the new one. Alright guys, and that's how we can replace background of our design on a Canva application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.